Hey everybody, it's Andrew Thomas coming at you with your daily quick bit. Today I wanted to talk to you about holding an open house. Now, if you're not a real estate agent, you're probably going to wonder, well, what the heck? What kind of value does this provide to me? But there is value. And this being that someday, if you're looking to go buy a home, it's likely that you're going to be connecting with a real estate agent who is going to be getting information from you and figuring out what kind of homes you're interested in. And they're going to be sending you properties for you to see. Now, once or twice a week, there will be days that other homes that are on the open market are held as open houses. Now, this is a place where an agent is stationed, usually associated with that property in one manner or another, if not the listing agent, and they hold the house open to whoever might show up. And this is essentially for you a unique opportunity for you to break away from your agent, maybe give them a day off on a Sunday, and go and see other homes that might be of interest to you. Now, this is something that is naturally pretty good for you, but it also, for the agent, is a good value because it allows them to pick up more leads. So, if someone happens to randomly walk into an open house that an agent is hosting and is not represented by a real estate agent, the agent hosting the open house, if they're doing their job properly, is probably going to see if they can stick with you in the long run and provide real estate agent help to you as you go and look for more homes. So if you're walking into an open house and already have an agent and are accosted by the hosting agent, don't worry, it's completely normal. They're doing their job and they're trying to, take care of their families by generating more and more leads and being able to take care of those and provide a good service for them. And for you, all you simply need to do is let them know, hey, I super appreciate your input, and I'm sure that you would love to help me, but I am actually already working with an agent. And if this is a home we do decide we're interested in purchasing, we will certainly have our agent reach out to you. And so it's just a little etiquette within the open house concept on what to expect if you're going in there with or without an agent, and what angle the agent often has. Now, always they're trying to get the house that they're hosting open sold, but at the same time, they might not even be the listing agent. And so they're there to collect as much information from as many of those people and use that to stay in touch with you and to provide you the best service they can. And some people find that annoying, but I request that you guys consider people who maybe aren't as initiative driven, who maybe appreciate an agent reaching out and helping get them that information as a courtesy. So anyways, that's just kind of a little bit today. It's kind of a slow day, not a lot to talk about, but I figured I was going to be hosting an open house today, so might as well just let you guys know a little bit about that and what that looks like. So thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys all tomorrow.